Yo, this is your boy Oda coming to you with part 58 of the Crochet Basics, and today we have some jasmine tea here and we got a new stitch. This is the no fuss stitch. This is a very easy stitch, very stretchable for garments if you want that breathability, if that's even a word. But this is very cool, and let's get to it. To start, we need to make a chain of an even number. So an even number, which is by 2, if you know what even numbers are, anything that is even. So we're going to do 30 chains today. So let's start. 1, 2, 3. You know the deal. Let's go to the end. I'll see you at the end. Now that we have our 30 chains, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the second chain from the hook. We're going to do a single crochet. 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Okay, and then in the next chain, we're going to do another single crochet. And then we're going to do another single crochet. You see the theme here. We're doing a row of single crochet all the way along for our very first row. Okay, I'll see you at the end. Now that we're at the end of the row and trying to get my yarn together, there we go. After the first round of single crochets, we're going to chain 1 at the end and turn our work. So I'm going to have you stop for a second. This first stitch right here, we're not going to be working in that. We're going to go into the next one. So we're going to be doing a single crochet into the next stitch. So 1 single crochet, and then I'm going to have you stop and chill. The next stitch, we're going to do a double crochet, 1 double crochet into that next stitch. Then we're going to do another single crochet, and then another double into the next. And you see the theme here, so you're catching along. Single crochet and then double crochet. Okay, so we're going to continue that all the way along the row. I'll see you at the end. Now that we're at the end, we're just going to finish up our last double crochet, and then you should end on a single crochet. Okay, great. So we finished our row 2. Now we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. There you go. Now stop for a second, just stop. This first chain we're going to actually work into. We're going to do a single crochet into that first chain, then we're going to do another single crochet into the second, and then the third, and we're going to do a row of single crochet all the way across the row. Continue that, and I'll see you at the end. To continue, we're going to finish up the single crochet row, then we're going to chain 1, turn our work, and then we're going to do our repeat of the single crochet and double crochet. So we're going to be working into the first stitch this time. We'll be doing a single crochet in the first stitch and a double crochet into the second, single crochet into the third, oops, tangled up, and then double crochet into the fourth. And then we're going to keep on going with that sequence over and over again. So basically this stitch is a single crochet row and then a single and double crochet row. And that's it. Thank you so much for following along. Like and follow and share. And remember, no fuss. Follow for more.